Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the nuclear reactor and nuclear waste disposal. Liquid metal cooled reactor. In previous lecture we have studied the nuclear reactor. Here in a nuclear reactor as a coolant we have used like a graphite or water. But here now we use like a metal like a sodium. In a sodium is converted into the liquid. Yes, sodium melting point is 860 degrees Celsius and freezing point is 95 degrees Celsius. First here sodium is converted into the liquid and high pressurized sodium is transferred into the reactor as a coolant. So here sodium absorbs the heat and then is passed to the secondary circuit. Here total 3 circuit use. Here first circuit, this secondary circuit and third circuit. Here we have a use coolant as a liquid metal of sodium in a first circuit. In a second circuit we have a use the sodium potassium for the coolant or heat absorber. Moderator use like a graphite. Fuel used as a enriched uranium. So here cost of the uranium or fuel is very high. In the first circuit, sodium is entered at a 7 bar pressure. Liquid sodium absorb the heat from the fission process of the enriched uranium and heat absorb pass to the secondary circuit. In a secondary circuit, sodium potassium absorb the heat from the liquid sodium and then pass to the our third circuit like in a steam generator. In a steam generator, sodium potassium heat transfer to the water. Here water is converted into the steam and produce the electricity by the help of turbine and electrical generator, and steam is converted into the cooling water by the condenser and again transfer. Here same here sodium potassium again and again transfer. This is the closed circuit. Here this is the benefit. Here the liquid metal use. Here heat capacity of liquid metal compared to the water is high. The advantage of liquid metal cooled reactor is and fast breeder reactor first explain here. In a fast breeder reactor same as a liquid reactor use, only here difference here breeder. What is the breeder? Breeder is the process when the fission material is converted into the fissile material. In this fast breeder reactor, coolant used as a liquid metal of sodium same in previous. Moderator here not required and fuel as a natural uranium. Here uranium 235 like a natural uranium coating with the uranium 238 like a blanket. Here uranium 235 convert into the thorium and uranium 238 is convert into the plutonium. Here plutonium and the thorium is a fissile material or a secondary material for the fission process. So this is the advantage of the fast breeder reactor. This also transfer the heat and also produce the fissile material which used by the nuclear reactor. Here sodium potassium is passed through and here absorb the heat pass to the sodium potassium circuit and third here steam. Here not required the moderator because the heat absorbed by the fission or fissile material reaction. The advantage of the fast breeder reactor and the nuclear reactor with liquid sodium. Here heat developed per unit volume of the core or per unit area of the fuel surface is very less, means the here fuel requirement is less for the same power development. easy to control because here no required the moderator, so here easy to control. Here greater inherent safety, here safety is very high. Here disadvantage is the severely limited choice of the fuel from the point of view neutron economy when the fuel is used as a uranium. Much larger size and weight of the reactor per unit power. This is the very big disadvantage. Here requirement of the size is very high. The more fissile material consumption then the could be automatically here replaced. This is the disadvantage of the fast breeder reactor. Here nuclear waste disposal. Here we have defined that how to dispose the nuclear waste. Here at the near surface, centralized or distributed first, then geographically, here open environment or the closed environment. Here safe if resources are continuously committed and safe with reduced active measures. Here three type of the nuclear waste disposal here: low level 90%, intermediate level 7%, and high level 3%. Or also we have a classify with solid, liquid, and the gaseous type of nuclear waste. First, we have discussed about the solid waste disposal. It consists of the discard on like a control roads, fuel mass, scrap material, etc. Out of this, the combustion matter is burned and the resulting gases are disposed to the atmosphere. After the dilution process, the remaining material is mixed with the concrete in the form of the shielded value in buried deep in sea or ground. Here, solid waste is first convert into the one form and put in a container, and container is disposed like a buried deep or near sea or ground. Same for the here liquid material. In a liquid waste coming from the treatment plant is diluted by the adding the water to it first method, then is released into the ground like a depth piece or the dry well. If the activity level is low in this method, there is a danger contaminating groundwater. If the dilution is not accurate, another method is to full the concrete liquid is a steel tank and buried in the ground. The leakage from this tank is more dangerous for human and plant life. So here we have should taken a leak proof tanks also. Last is the gaseous waste. They do not require any treatment except the filtration. The gases are treated in a clean up the plant to remove the radioactivity, iodine, which measure the hazard of the human health. So the gaseous gases are commonly diluted with the air and after passing through the filter, they are released atmosphere to the high stage. Here the main advantage here, not pollutants are produced during the operation of the power plant, but after the operation of power plant, here we have a collect the wastage and required to the disposal. This is the main advantage of nuclear waste disposal. Here nuclear power plant location in India. First is the Narora in UP. Here two power plant in operation, 220 megawatt power plant capacity. In a Kakrapar, Gujarat, here two power plant in operation, 220 megawatt, and two power plant in a construction or future planning, 700 megawatt. In Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu, here 220 megawatt two power plant are operated and future expansion 500 megawatt. In Kundakalam, Tamil Nadu, here 1000 megawatt power plant is required for the future planning. Same here, 220 megawatt required for the future planning and 220 megawatt three power plant in a running condition. In a Tarapur, Maharashtra, here power plant for 160 megawatt and two power plant is 540 megawatt in running condition. Same in Rajasthan, two power plant with capacity of 700 megawatt in installation and 100 megawatt plus 200 megawatt four power plant are in running condition. Here comparison with the steam power plant and nuclear power plant. First criteria is site. Here located near to the load center. Here location depend upon the availability of site and water away from the load center and populated area. Here very capital cost here very low. Here capital cost very high because here safety features and technologies are more important. Here operating cost is more, here operating cost is less. Here power plant, in a coal power plant handling or handling charges are very high, but in a power plant the fuel handling is very low compared to the steam power plant. Here maintenance cost moderator, here maintenance cost is higher because its technology is higher. Here supervision staff required is more. Here supervision staff is required very less. Here space required is more. Here space required is very less. Here fuel consumption is very high. Here fuel consumption is very less. For the 1 kg of uranium is equal to the 4,000 or 5,000 ton of coal. Here reliability of plant operation here low, here very high. Here the quantity of water requiring steam power plant high comparatively the nuclear power plant. The main advantage of the nuclear power plant, first space required is less when compared to the other power plant for the same power and same capacity. The nuclear power plant can meet the larger demand at a reasonable cost. Here the give better is performance at high load factor. In a nuclear power plant is also disadvantage here require the high load factor for the performance. Here nuclear power plant use much less than fuel as a fossil fuel. Here 1 metric ton for uranium fuel requires 3 million metric tons of the coal and 12 million barrel oil. Since the fuel consumption is very small as compared to the conventional type of power plant, therefore there is a saving the cost in the fuel transportation. In the nuclear power plant, besides the producing the large amount of power and also produce the fissile material which are produced when the fuel is renewed, like a like a last reactor, our fast breeder reactor. The operation of the nuclear power plant is very reliable. Nuclear power plants are not affected by the adverse weather conditions. This is the main advantage. The bigger capacity of nuclear power plant is an additional advantage. The expenditure of the metal structure piping storage mechanism is much lower for the nuclear power plant than a cooling power plant. Next, some disadvantage of the nuclear power plant. The capital cost of the nuclear power plant station is always very high. Here, the danger of the radioactivity always persists in a nuclear station, in spite almost the precaution and care. This plant cannot be operated at varying load efficiency. So here required the load factor is very high. The maintenance cost of the plant is very high due to the lack of the standardization and high salary of the trained personnel in this field of the specialization is required. So here labor is required the skilled labor. The disposal of the fission of the product is a very big problem. If it is disposed properly, that will be adversely affect the environment also. The working condition in a nuclear power plant station are always determined to the health of the workers. Thank you.